Welcome everyone. Today's fear and greed is showing 22 out of 100 or extreme fear in the market. The top news for this Monday include Voyager can't guarantee all customers will receive their crypto under proposed recovery plan. The crypto lending firm said that the exact amount reimbursed to users will depend on what happens in the restructuring process and the recovery of 3AC assets. Users may receive a combination of Voyager tokens, cryptocurrencies, common shares in the newly reorganized company, and funds from any proceedings with 3 Arrows Capital, or 3AC. The exact numbers will depend on what happens in the restructuring process and the recovery of 3AC assets, said the lending firm. G20 regulator to present global crypto rules in October 2022. The FSB seems more concerned with the crypto market given its recent turmoil and the increasing interconnectedness with the traditional financial system. Grayscale legal officer says Bitcoin ETF litigation could take 2 years. Grayscale argues that the differences between futures and spot Bitcoin ETFs have no correlation to approvals because prices are based on the same spot Bitcoin markets. Asset management firms continue to fight for a spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States as regulators remain skeptical of the idea. However, Grayscale argues that the differences have no correlation with Bitcoin ETF approvals, as both futures and spot Bitcoin ETF prices are based on the same spot Bitcoin markets. Thus, the Grayscale legal team believes that the disapproval of spot Bitcoin ETFs amid the approval of Bitcoin futures ETFs can be considered unfair discrimination. Celsius changes legal team, pays off $20 million in EV debts. The embattled platform continues to wind down its debts to defy lending protocols, having just paid off $20 million USDC to EV. Twitter lawyers up to force through Musk deal. Will it work? It's unclear whether the potential lawsuit will eventually see Musk purchasing the platform at the previously agreed price, at a new price, or not at all. Social media platform Twitter is reportedly looking to file a lawsuit as early as this week against Tesla CEO Elon Musk after he announced his intention to pull out of the $44 billion deal to acquire the social media giant on Friday. A Saudi Arabia-themed NFT collection is the latest free-to-mint hit. Another week, another hit collection of pricey NFTs. The latest star. A project called the Saudis. The collection of 5,555 NFTs, whose artwork is a derivative of the famed CryptoPunks collectibles, were free to mint on July 9th and sold out within hours. Finally, Binance gets nod from Spain to offer crypto exchange, custody services. The registration will allow Binance to offer crypto asset exchange and custody services in Spain in compliance with the requirements of its central bank's anti-money laundering and counter-terrorist financing rules, Binance said in a press release. And that is all for today's news. Share your opinions in the comments below and drop a like. Check the links in the description for more details. See you tomorrow.